Hi, myself Mohammed Bilal. I'm here to present my presentation of business analytics and intelligence. My topic is UK home healthcare sector. So moving to the next slide, here I would like to discuss about introduction and background of home healthcare providers. Overview of the UK home healthcare sector: increase in elderly population driving demand for home healthcare in the UK, and home healthcare include personal care, medical services, and social activities for the elderly. Reference to key industry report from IBIS World: domiciliary care in the UK, residential nursing care in the UK. Purpose of this presentation is to analyze and recommended future trends in the home healthcare provider sector in the UK using business analytics. Further, moving to the next slide, here I would like to discuss about the review of relevant journal articles on business analytics and decision making. Journal Article 1: the use of data analytics in home healthcare. Provider analytics help healthcare patients allocate resources and anticipate patient outcome and control cost. It shows how healthcare organization may improve clinical and operational process using data. Journal Article 2: impact of AI big data analytics on healthcare outcomes. This article emphasizes leveraging data to discover patient care and services use patterns. It examines how home healthcare professionals may use data analytics to forecast patient requirement, improve treatment, and boost patient satisfaction. Data analysis identifies care quality improvement. Home healthcare provider may enhance care plans by analyzing patient comments and result to deliver most efficient treatment. Data-driven staffing, data-driven staffing scheduling as well as resource management improve operational efficiency. Analyzing services demand patterns, optimize work allocation, lowering cost and enhancing patient care. Further, UK home healthcare companies may use business analytics to improve patient care efficiency and cost. A home healthcare provider might utilize data analytics to predict patient demand, optimize staffing demand depending on demand, and change care plans depending on real-time patient. Further, moving to the next slide, here I would like to discuss about the data collection. There are 10 prominent home healthcare providers in the UK, like Bupa Healthcare, SC1 Care Home, and so on. Data variables are 2013 to 2022 revenue, profit margin, number of employees, customer satisfaction score, growth rate in service, market share, cost of care, patient demographic, government funding and grants, compliance status. Sources of data are IBIS, Statista, Yahoo Finance, and FAME. Further, moving to the next slide, here I have shown some graphs visualization the data, which shows the revenue and profit margin trends between 2013 to 2022. In the next slide, I have also shown the graphs which shows average revenue and profit margin per company. In this slide, I have shown the data about the companies and their revenue, profit margin, market share percentage, customer satisfaction, and growth rate. In this slide, I have shown the visualization through a table, home healthcare provider dashboard. Further, moving to the next slide, I have here I would like to discuss summary statistics. Descriptive statistics like mean, median, standard deviation are analyzed through the descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics include mean, median, and standard deviation. Mean, the average revenue across 10 companies is calculated to be 70 million. And median, the middle value which revenue are sorted from lowest to highest, is 70 million pound. The standard deviation, the revenue performance of the corporate is significantly different as evidenced by the standard deviation of 15 million. Variability in the market is evident in the significant higher revenue generated by certain companies. Explanation of summary statistics. The average company size is 70 million based on the mean sales revenue. Fluctuation is seen from the 15 million standard deviation. For instance, SC1 has larger revenue than Care UK, which performs lower average. The diversity is essential to understand industrial competition. The mean revenue of 70 million reflects the normal scope of business in this industry. Our revenue standard deviation of 15 million implies that some firms are outperforming others. Companies with bigger standard deviation operate less predictably, while most firms are profitable. A few outliners may perform outperforming or underperforming due to profit margin 3% in the standard deviation. Further in this slide, I have shown summary statistics table, which shows the variable revenue, profit, market share, customer satisfaction, and mean, median, and standard deviation. Further, in this slide, I have shown the correlation and regression analysis. Correlation analysis. The correlation coefficient range from -1 to +1, where 1 indicates the perfect positive relationship and minus 1 indicates the perfect negative relationship. 0 indicates no relationship between variables. The analysis calculates the correlation between revenue and market share. Positive correlation shows that revenue increase, the market share also tends to increase, and negative shows a negative correlation suggests that the variable decrease and the other decrease. Regression analysis objective. To protect revenue based on number of employees and customer satisfaction. There are two variable, dependent and independent variable. Dependent variable include revenue, and the independent variable number of employees and customer satisfaction. B1 is- shows number of employees. Assuming that other variable remain constant, a positive value of V1 indicate the revenue increase by 0.5 million each additional employee. V2 shows customer satisfaction. A positive value of V2 um, indicate that revenue increase by 2 million for each point increase in customer satisfaction, provided that other variables remain constant. In this, further moving to the next slide here, I have shown I have continued the correlation and regression analysis. Following regression analysis and squared value of 0.85 was obtained indicates the number of employees and customer satisfaction account for 85% of variance in revenue. Customer satisfaction statically significantly indicates the number of P value is 0.03 as indicates that the P is less than 0.05. Further moving to the next slide here, I've shown the interpretation of data output. Key drivers of success in the UK home healthcare sectors in the UK are regression model insight. The regression model shows that customer satisfaction and staff numbers increase home healthcare revenue. Positive correlation shows that organizations with higher customer satisfaction and greater workforce create more revenue. Alignment with health market trends. Finally, healthcare providers that achieve higher customer satisfaction scores are more successful. This implies the patient experience continue to be critical competitive advantage in this industry. Further, the surprising patterns or trend, the highest, this suggests that profitability and growth are not necessarily linked in this area. Despite growing services, some organizations may have poor profit margin due to cost management issue. Market share differences show that suppliers are not equally competitive. Market share are greater for larger enterprise, but not everywhere. Further moving to the next slide here, I would like to recommend some plans for the future of this sector. Growing demand for personal care and technical integration. The UK aging population wants more personalized care. Technology like AI-driven healthcare solution improve patient experience and personalized treatment. Providers require AI and data analytics to forecast patient demand and offer customized treatment. Increased role of data analytics. Healthcare provider may optimize operation using data analytics and its roles rises. The company increase service quality and as well as operational efficiency via regulatory analysis, patient care, personal and cost data, by predicting health requirement and improving resource allocation. Business strategy recommendation invest in AI technology, focus on employees training, expand services, meet to diverse need of the aging population. Further moving to the next slide here, I would like to discuss about the conclusion of my presentation. The regression analysis demonstrate that the success of home healthcare sector in the UK is significantly influenced by the number of employees and customer satisfaction. Revenue is closely correlated with patient satisfaction, and a larger workforce is associated with improved service delivery. Summary of recommendation, like which I have discussed previous slide, invest in AI, focus on employees training and expand services to meet evolving needs of the aging population. Final, so moving to the final thoughts. The future of home healthcare sector will significantly influenced by business analytics. Provider can achieve sustained prosperity in the industry by making more informed decision, optimize operations, and improving patient outcome through the use of data. Further, here I have shown the reflection. Further, moving to the next slide, here I have shown the references. So that's all from my side. Thank you.